Extreme temperatures will tend to do that. And today we got the wind, the dirty air, the extreme fire danger. Now this is a tough one. And today's weather is a lot like you would find, let's say, out in Colorado, Nebraska. It's rare to get a very, very dry, gusty heat in Indiana. Now notice the size and the scope of the upper ridge. Now all of these colors, that's just heat warnings, fire weather warnings, you name it. It goes way up into northern and central Canada. I haven't seen an upper ridge this big since the drought of '88. I mean, you've got rain going up and over and then all the way into New England. And the only thing really in the U.S. right now of any significance is a weak front up here near Minneapolis. And that will slowly sink in and kind of moving from the north, then the northeast. And if we're lucky, that may pop an isolated storm Friday night as some more humid air, higher dew points in Iowa over wetter soils, kind of moves in and pools just ahead of that front. Problem is, we're going to be capped. There's a question if we can even get anything to pop. We'll keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, yeah, it's just very hot today. We're capped. It's clear. 100 now at the station. We hit 103 very briefly. We hit 106 at Monticello. It's 103 right now. 103 Rochester, 104 at Atlanta and Crawfordsville as well as Perrysville, and 98 degrees at Morocco. The dirty air, the gusty winds, and the cloudless sky. Notice even at 9, it's 94. At 11, 87 degrees. Still a pretty brisk wind. The critical fire danger will continue, and overnight lows only in the mid to upper 70s tonight. And tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, very capped, slightly cooler as the very weak front starts to meander on in. 98 at Winamac, 99 Monticello, 100 at West Lafayette and 101 at down towards Crawfordsville, 102 at Petersburg. Saturday, the front kind of settling a little bit southward and kind of falling apart. So a hair cooler once again, but still pretty bad. 94 at Rochester, 97 Monticello, 100 at Crawfordsville, and 98 at Pence, 97 at Remington, as well as Chalmers. There's a tiny, tiny bit of relief, and that would be on Friday night. Now this is Friday and Friday night. Here's the front. There may be a very isolated storm if we can bust through the cap Friday night. Coverage will only be about 10 to 20%. 97 breezy Saturday, 94 Sunday. Notice as we get into next week, 100 Tuesday, 99 on Wednesday. And that could be the hottest 4th of July since 1936. So that 20%, you see, I put that on there to give us a little bit of hope. We may have an isolated storm Friday night. Otherwise, it's a dry forecast. It's very hot. Temperatures well above normal, even as we get through next week.
Yeah, it just feels awful.
It feels like a blast furnace out there.
Yeah, it really does. If you want to cool off, it sounds like head up to Morocco.